Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about how to use two Facebook accounts at the same time on your phone, may it be an Android devices or an iOS device. The first thing you want to do right now is go to settings. We just want to make sure that we have the latest version updated on our phone. For the software version, I'm going to go for general and software update. Same goes on your Android devices, even though I'm using an iPhone, please check this one. Make sure that there is no pending update for your software version. And as you can see right here, mine is going to be the latest version and there's no pending update. Now once that's good to go, I'm going to go check on my App Store. On your end, that should be your Play Store if you're using an Android device. So for this one, I'm going to type in Facebook. And I think I don't have any pending updates. As you can see right there, the Facebook says open. That means my application is up to date to the latest version for the Facebook account. Now open up my Facebook right here. Now I just want to go on this option. For the Android device, it should be in the upper right corner. For the iOS, it should be on the bottom. Just go all the way down and click on log out. So basically logging out from my account right there. And as you can see right here, I have four. I have four accounts on my account or my device. If you want to add another one, click use another profile account for this one. And basically we'll just add that to the list. So once you successfully add another profile, just log it in. And I'm going to show you how it works. So once you have logged in, I can just double tap on this one. And then it will switch to the other account. Again, just double tap on the icon right there. So for the Android devices, it should be on the upper right corner. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.